Okay, I'm going to show you how to add, subtract, and multiply polynomials. So let's look at the first example. So let's add polynomial 7x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 3x cubed minus 11x plus 2. Remember, a polynomial root word poly means that we have many terms, more than one terms. And in order to add, we must combine like terms only. Okay, so if we look at our first polynomial here, we have an x cubed. That can be added with the other x cubed. So 7x cubed plus 3x cubed gives us 10x cubed. Next, we have a negative 4x squared. Notice we don't have any x squareds on the other side, so we just have minus 4x squared. Next, we have plus 5x and a minus 11x, so that 5 minus 11 is going to be a minus 6x. And lastly, we just have 2. So again, I don't have any other like terms, so I am done. So let's subtract now. So we have two polynomials, 6x to the 4th minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4x cubed, 4x to the 4th minus 9x squared plus 7. Okay, now with addition, it doesn't really matter if we distribute the positive, but with subtraction, it is. Okay, so first thing we do is we need to distribute our negative. So again, we have 6x to the 4th minus 2x squared plus 3x. And a minus times a positive is going to make a minus 4x to the 4th. A negative and a negative is going to make a positive 9x squared. A negative and positive is going to make a negative 7. So now we can combine like terms. So we have x to the 4th. 6x to the 4th minus 4x to the 4th is going to get us 2x to the 4th. Negative 2x squared plus a 9x squared is going to give us a 7x squared. X to the first, we just have a 3x. And lastly, we have minus 7. Again, I don't have any other like terms. Box your answer, you're done. Okay, so make sure when you are subtracting, first step is to distribute that negative. Okay, let's move on to multiply. So how do we multiply? Multiply, we have 9y squared minus 2y minus 1 times y plus 4. So notice here I have a trinomial times a binomial. So notice here I have 3 terms. And here I have 2 terms. So I'm going to draw a 3 by 2 box. Okay, on my outer sides I have my trinomial 9y squared minus 2y minus 1 and a y plus a 4. And just multiply the cross sections. So we have y times 9y squared is 9y cubed. Y times negative 2y is negative 2y squared. Y times negative 1 is negative y. And 9y squared times 4 is 36y squared. 4 times negative 2y is negative 8y. And 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So combine like terms, we have a 9y cubed. What I like about the box is notice our diagonals are often our like terms. So we have plus 36y squared minus 2y squared. Then these two will be able to be combined. We also have a negative 8y minus a y, and again, these will be able to be combined. minus 4. So we have a 9y cubed. 36 minus 2 is plus 32y squared. Negative 8 minus 1 is a negative 9y. And then we have minus 4. So notice I don't have any other like terms. So I can box it. I am done. Okay, so don't be scared to draw a box. If you want to FOIL out, you can. Just make sure that you do get all 6 terms. The box kind of makes it nice and organized. So let's try another one. Multiply x minus 1 times x plus 1 times 5x plus 6. So think of this as if we were going to find the volume of a box, okay? Think about it anytime we multiply a length, a width, and a height, right? We'd be finding a volume of a box. So how do we multiply when we have 3 binomials that we need to multiply? We'll just take it 2 by 2. So take the first 2. Let's take x minus 1 times x plus 1. And we can FOIL. Again, you can draw a box if you need to. 2 by 2. But if we FOIL, we get x times x is x squared. We get plus x. You get your inner is a negative x. And negative 1 and 1 is negative 1. Again, what can we combine? Negative x and negative x. It's actually going to cancel. And we're just left with x squared minus 1. So that's step 1. So step 2 is, let's take the one we haven't used. We have not used 5x plus 6, right? And we're going to multiply that by what we just got, which is x squared minus 1. So again, you can draw a box or you can FOIL. Again, I'll show you how to do 2 by 2 box in case you like to do box. 5x, 6, x squared, and negative 1. Again, multiply cross sections. X squared times 5x is 5x cubed. 5x and negative 1 is negative 5x. X squared times 6 is 6x squared. And 6 times 1 is negative 6. So we got 5x cubed. We have plus 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. So again, do we have any like terms? No, we do not. And we have now successfully multiplied all 3 together. And that is our answer.